Hi friends, let me show you this new feeder dog bowl that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice bowl. It is really strong. It is made of stainless steel, food grade 304 stainless steel. It comes with this silicone mat. So you know it won't, well, it won't sleep when your dog is eating, okay? And of course you can wash it really easy, okay? Let me show you that it has like two sides and you could use it either side, okay? This is aimed for bigger dogs and it has this pattern that will make your dog eat a little bit slower and have a nicer meal, okay? If you put the dog food here, okay, as you can see, the bigger dog will be able to eat, but it will have this pattern that will help him to eat slower, okay? But if you happen to have a cat or a smaller dog, let me tell you that it's so easy, so convenient that you can also use these patterns here as feeding buckets for your pets, okay? So either side, either way, it will help your pets eat, well, a little bit slower from a nice bowl. And you can, at the end, or once every time you want, you could even put this bowl directly in the washing machine. Okay, so it's really convenient. Let me try it with one of my pets. Okay, so here we are. Milo. Perfect. So you have your pets having their meals and having fun. Okay, so you have a small or large pets. This bowl is a perfect fit for all of them. And, well, with time, a fun one to work with. Perfect. Thank you.